How to remove remote desktop connection history in Windows. Remote access is convenient, but it also leaves a trail. In this video, we'll walk you through how to remove your remote desktop connection (RDC) history in Windows to help keep your access private and secure. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Windows stores RDC history in multiple locations: the Registry, Jump Lists, and Credential Manager. Each time you connect remotely, these entries can be logged. That might make future connections easier, but it can also expose sensitive systems, especially on shared or public machines. Use the Registry Editor. Hit Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to, right-click each MRU number entry and hit Delete. Then go to, delete any saved server entries. Use Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following commands. Delete jump list entries. In File Explorer, navigate to, delete the file named 1B4DD67F29CB1962.automaticdestinations-ms. Then restart File Explorer from Task Manager. Clear saved credentials. Go to Control Panel, Credential Manager, Windows Credentials. Find entries labeled Term SRV, Remote Computer Name. Select and remove them. Use Group Policy to prevent future logs. Launch the Group Policy Editor. Win+R, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options. Enable the policy Interactive Logon, Do Not Display Last Username. Then go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Credentials Delegation. Enable the policy Deny Delegating Saved Credentials. Note that these settings don't stop RDC history from being stored, but they prevent saved credentials and hide the last logged in username for better privacy. You can also use trusted third-party tools like CCleaner or BleachBit for a more automated cleanup process. Deleting RDC history won't remove saved credentials unless you delete them manually, and once the history is cleared, it cannot be recovered. For more information, check out our official blog post on removing remote desktop connection history in Windows, linked in the description below.